Hey everyone, it's Kiki here. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of Greece. Get ready for turquoise waters, ancient history, and delicious food, because we're about to explore the 7 best Greek islands for tourists. From iconic sunsets to hidden gems, we're covering it all. Whether you're a beach bum, a history buff, or a foodie looking for the perfect gyro, there's an island out there with your name on it. So grab your sunscreen, your sense of adventure, and let's set sail. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's dive in. First up, we're heading to the island that needs no introduction, Santorini. Picture this, whitewashed villages perched atop dramatic cliffs, overlooking a caldera filled with sparkling blue water. Santorini is famous for its sunsets, and let me tell you, they live up to the hype. Imagine watching the sky explode in a kaleidoscope of colors as the sun dips below the horizon. Pure magic! But Santorini is more than just sunsets. Explore the charming streets of Oia, with its blue-domed churches and adorable boutiques. Take a dip in the Aegean Sea, or relax on the unique red and black sand beaches. And don't forget about the food. Santorini is known for its fresh seafood and volcanic wines. Trust me, you haven't lived until you've had a glass of Assertico while watching the sunset over the caldera. Santorini is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. It's romantic, it's breathtaking, and it's definitely worth adding to your bucket list. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Santorini? Let me know in the comments below. Next, we're off to the island of Mykonos, known for its vibrant nightlife and stunning beaches. If you're looking to party the night away, Mykonos is the place to be. Imagine dancing till dawn in world-renowned clubs, then spending your days soaking up the sun on some of the most beautiful beaches in Greece. Sounds like a dream, right? But Mykonos is more than just a party island. Explore the charming streets of Mykonos town, with its whitewashed houses and colorful doors. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleys and stumble upon hidden boutiques and cafes. And don't forget to snap a picture with Petros the pelican, Mykonos' most famous resident. He's a real character, and you're sure to see him wandering around the harbor. Mykonos is an island that has it all. Stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and a charming atmosphere. It's the perfect place to let loose and have some fun. Have you ever been to a beach party? Tell me about it in the comments. Now we're heading to the largest of the Greek islands, Crete. Crete is an island of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern-day living. Explore the ruins of Naxos, the ancient Minoan palace, and imagine life in Greece thousands of years ago. Hike through the Samaria Gorge, a UNESCO biosphere reserve, and marvel at the island's natural beauty. And of course, no trip to Crete would be complete without spending some time on its beautiful beaches. From the pink sands of Elafonisi to the palm-fringed shores of Vai, Crete has a beach for everyone. And the food. Crete is a foodie's paradise with its fresh seafood, delicious cheeses, and flavorful olive oil. Be sure to try dakos, a traditional Cretan salad. And of course, some raki, the local firewater. Crete is an island that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. It's a place where you can explore ancient history, relax on pristine beaches, and indulge in delicious cuisine. What's your favorite ancient civilization? Let me know, I would love to find out. Get ready to step back in time as we journey to Rhodes, an island steeped in history and charm. This enchanting destination offers a unique blend of ancient ruins, medieval architecture, and vibrant modern life. Rhodes Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is like stepping into a medieval fairy tale. Its cobblestone streets and ancient walls tell stories of knights and battles long past. Walk along the Street of the Knights with its impressive fortifications and grand buildings. Each stone here has witnessed centuries of history, making it a living museum. Explore the Palace of the Grand Masters and imagine the knights who once ruled this island. This grand structure stands as a testament to the island's strategic importance in the medieval period. But Rhodes is more than just its history. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. The island is also home to beautiful beaches, crystal-clear waters, and charming villages. Whether you're looking to relax by the sea or explore quaint streets, Rhodes has something for everyone. Head to Lindos with its whitewashed houses and Acropolis perched high above the Aegean Sea. The view from the top is simply breathtaking, offering a panoramic glimpse of the island's natural beauty. And for all you foodies out there, Rhodes won't disappoint. The island's culinary scene is a delightful mix of traditional Greek flavors and fresh local ingredients. Be sure to try souvlaki, gyros, and other Greek specialties. Each dish is a celebration of the island's rich culinary heritage. And don't forget to wash it all down with some ouzo, the national drink of Greece. It's the perfect way to end a meal and toast to your adventures. Rhodes is an island that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. From its ancient ruins to its stunning beaches, there's always something new to discover. It's the perfect destination for those looking to explore the past and relax in the present. Whether you're a history buff or a beach lover, Rhodes has it all. Have you ever been to a medieval city? The experience is like no other, transporting you to a different era. Tell me about it in the comments. Share your stories and let us know what you loved most about your visit. Next, we're off to Corfu, an island known for its lush landscapes and vibrant culture. This gem of the Ionian Sea is a blend of natural beauty and rich history. The island is renowned for its Venetian architecture, which adds a unique charm to its towns and villages. Corfu is often called the Emerald Isle of Greece, and for good reason. The island is covered in verdant forests, olive groves, and vineyards, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Explore the island's interior and discover hidden waterfalls, charming villages, and scenic nature trails that wind through the lush landscape. The island's capital, Corfu Town, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its pastel-colored buildings and Venetian fortresses tell stories of a bygone era, offering stunning views and a sense of timelessness. Take a leisurely stroll along the Liston, a pedestrianized street lined with cafes and shops. This area is perfect for people watching and soaking in the local atmosphere. And of course, no trip to Corfu would be complete without spending some time on its beautiful beaches. From the long, sandy stretches of Paleo Kastritsa, where the turquoise waters invite you for a swim, to the secluded coves of Sidari, Corfu has a beach for everyone. Whether you prefer bustling beach bars or quiet, hidden spots, Corfu's coastline has something to offer. Corfu is an island that will steal your heart with its natural beauty, charming towns, and rich history. It's the perfect destination for those looking to relax, explore, and immerse themselves in the local culture. Experience the true meaning of island time as you relax on the beach or explore the island's many attractions. What's your favorite thing about island life? Get ready to discover Naxos, an island steeped in mythology and blessed with natural beauty. This enchanting island is a place where ancient legends come to life, and the serene landscapes offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Legend has it that Naxos was the island where Zeus grew up, and it's easy to see why the king of the gods chose this idyllic spot. The island's rich history and mythological significance make it a fascinating destination for history buffs and mythology enthusiasts alike. Naxos is home to Mount Zas, the highest mountain in the Cyclades, where you can hike to the cave where Zeus is said to have been born. The hike offers breathtaking views and a sense of adventure as you explore the rugged terrain. Explore the ancient ruins of the Temple of Demeter and feel the presence of the gods. This temple, dedicated to the goddess of harvest, stands as a testament to the island's ancient past and its connection to the divine. But Naxos is more than just its mythology. The island's natural beauty is equally captivating, with its stunning coastline and lush landscapes providing a picturesque backdrop for your adventures. The island is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, including Plaka Beach with its golden sand and crystal clear waters. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun or take a refreshing dip in the sea, Plaka Beach is the perfect spot. And for those looking for a taste of authentic Greece, Naxos won't disappoint. The island's charming villages and bustling markets offer a glimpse into the local culture and traditions. The island is known for its delicious cheeses, wines, and produce. Be sure to indulge in a wine tasting session or sample some of the local cheeses, which are renowned for their unique flavors. Be sure to try the local potatoes, which are said to be the best in Greece. These potatoes are a staple in Naxian cuisine and are celebrated for their exceptional taste and quality. Naxos is an island that offers the perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From its ancient ruins to its vibrant festivals, there's always something to discover and enjoy. It's the perfect destination for those looking to escape the crowds and experience the true essence of Greece. Whether you're exploring secluded beaches or wandering through traditional village streets, Naxos offers a tranquil retreat. Do you believe in Greek mythology? Tell me your favorite myth in the comments. Share your thoughts and let's keep the spirit of these ancient stories alive. Next, we're heading to Paros, a hidden gem in the heart of the Aegean Sea. Paros is often overlooked by tourists, which is a shame because this island has so much to offer. Imagine strolling through charming villages with whitewashed houses and colorful flowers. Picture yourself swimming in crystal-clear waters and sunbathing on pristine beaches. That's Paros in a nutshell. Explore Parikia, the island's capital, with its charming harbor and traditional tavernas. Visit Naxos, a picturesque fishing village with a lively nightlife. And don't miss Lefkis, a mountain village with stunning views and traditional architecture. Paros is also a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, with its excellent windsurfing and kitesurfing conditions. And for those who prefer to relax on land, there are plenty of hiking trails to explore. Paros is an island that has it all: beautiful beaches, charming villages, delicious food, and a laid-back atmosphere. It's the perfect destination for those looking to escape the crowds and experience the authentic side of Greece. Oh yes, I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You can find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance. I hope they help you make some savings on your next trip. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the best Greek islands for tourists. I hope I've inspired you to add a few of these incredible destinations to your travel list. From the iconic sunsets of Santorini to the hidden coves of Paros, each island offers a unique blend of beauty, culture, and adventure. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Greek island hopping adventure today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.